In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and then tapping on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and when you're ready, this arrow at the top left one to go back. Now, to use clipboard, copy or cut any text. Then paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. Or to paste it later on, tap on clipboard and select your text over here. Now, if you wish to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Also, by holding it, you can edit it and hit save. If you want to, you can hold it again, this time to delete it. Quick tip: to delete it faster, swipe it to the right or to the left. You can also use this pen at the top right corner, select multiple things from clipboard and pin them or remove them. To disable clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!